Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the amazing SNUtils feature in your ServiceNow instance. Refer to my Cloud-89 blog and the linked YouTubes from Arnoud Kooi from ServiceNow on how to get SNUtils installed in your instance. Once you have it installed, you can access it from the cog in your browser. And from there you can look at features like enabling the enhanced VS Code style editor to background scripts. So I'll just show you what that looks like. If you go into background scripts, you just get a much funkier background script layout. And then you can run that, and what I had forgotten a GR query. There you go, and then you get a nice output here. There is also a what's it called again? VS Code article, which you'll find in my blog, but there's a pretty cool equivalent within SNUtils. So if you were to go to, say, script includes, and open up a script include, and then in the script editor you get this little icon here. That's all part of SNUtils. You can click that and it gives you like a VS Code style equivalent code editor within IntelliSense, and when you save that, it actually saves it back into here as well. So that's pretty cool. Let me sort of run you now through some cool commands that come with SNUtils. Alright, let's go to the incident list. Then we can run a quick command to see. So the way that you get to your SNUtils, you use / and then if you were to use, say, CT, this gives you your switches. What that will do is filter the list on incidents created on today. I haven't got any here in my PDI, but had there been some, then they would display there. And you can explore other switches features in there just by looking at the list here. Another thing you can do a global search on code. So if you enter code, let's say you wanted to search any scripts that contained the word Fred, for example, this will start to do a search for you, and there's bringing back stuff that's got Fred Luddy in it. Oh yeah, here's a cool one. If you wanted to search the entire instance for a sysid, so let's copy this sysid here, then all you simply need to do is paste your sysid. Sometimes it can be difficult finding a record by its sysid, and it should pull back the record for you. Simple table search. So if you wanted to get to the change request table, for example, just / change request, you can see it start to pull back suggestions already. Click on that, it should take you to the table. There you go. Another pretty cool thing I wanted to show you, don't think I'm going to have time in this segment, I will show you in the next segment. Cheers. In this segment, let's see how we can use SNUtils to take you within an application. Now, if you go to the plugins list like this, as you're probably aware, it takes a long time to load because what ServiceNow is doing is making REST API calls back to the store to check if there's any updates for the plugins, and that's why that list can take a while to load. Now, there's a shortcut to a plugin if you know what the plugin is. If you click this cog and you tick this box here, include navigator, sorry, no, which was the one? This one. Show next to UR enhance application update set picker at page load. What you then get is you actually get this SNUtils application picker. So if, for example, you selected the admin experience framework in here, you can then click, that's fine, that's just refreshing. What you can then do is click this little file icon here that will actually open the application for you directly. It's pretty awesome. Another feature that SNUtil gives you is the ability to turn on technical names. You can do it within the cog and set it globally, or what's often easier is just to do it on demand so it doesn't make your navigation too busy. So I believe if you click in the white space, yep, you can toggle it on and off. And then I think there's actually commands to do it as well. TN will toggle it on and off as well. So there's that feature. You can also do direct navigation to a page. So if, for example, you wanted to do a cache.do or another page, you can actually do that directly from SNUtils. It also enables you to change the language of the instance on the fly. So if, for example, you wanted everything to show in Spanish, for example, you just use lang and then ES for Spanish, this would be FR for French, and so on. You also have a cool shortcut to search the community. So you could enter, say, com here, and then the term you want to search for example, event management, and that should bring up all search results within ServiceNow community directly. So that's a pretty good feature as well. There you have it. I believe API takes you to the developer site, like so. So your better way might be to actually search for a term so you don't get the 404 page. So if we just search for the developer site for event management, for example, that should pull that back. Another cool feature is the ability to view a table structure. So if you went incident and then it's what is it? -T. That should give you then a shortcut to the table structure of, in this case, the incident table. Another feature is the ability to build up breadcrumb searches within a form. So if you go to the incident form and start it using control click on fields, you can see this breadcrumb starts to build up, and then if you click on that, it should take you to a query within a list view of issues matching that, incidents matching that query. And obviously you can explore the browser extension cog for other features that SNUtils gives you. So shout out to Arnoud who built this wonderful feature, and it's a great thing to use. I recommend it. Obviously you've got permission to load it into your dev instance, but certainly within your PDI it's brilliant. It just gives you can save you so much time. So yeah, hope you like this video, and like I say, have a look on my blog for some more info on SNUtils, and happy coding. Ciao for now.